Hi guys, this is Radhika here. So I just wanted to make a very quick video, which is like a trick to help you understand when you are letting the narcissist overstep your boundary. So I'm making this video because when we are in this cycle of narcissism and understanding about it, and before we understood it, probably the narcissist has violated a lot of boundaries in your life already, and you have been that way with a lot of people in your life. A lot of people have violated boundaries, so it's a little bit difficult when you understand you have to put up boundaries. You feel like you are being rude, to people, although it's normal behavior, but because you have been so giving and you have been doing so many extra things for so many people, that sometimes you feel guilty if you don't do something anymore. So it's very easy to fall back into the trap of people pleasing, and I see that in myself a lot of times, because I will I want to put up boundaries and I want to keep my time for myself and my son because he needs it. But other than that, I do feel that my first reaction to anything or any ask that someone has of me is to say yes. And I kind of have to stop myself there. Um, so, what I would say is, for some time, whenever someone asks you to do something for them, stop, don't say yes. Take a moment, take a breath, be slow in the response that you give them, and think about it. Do I really want to do this? And if the answer that comes to you is no, then just say no. And also, sometimes maybe you're just alone and you have to do something for someone, or because you are used to thinking about people so much, you feel like maybe I should do this for so and so person. And then you feel that, so basically you are trying to do something extra for someone, but then your other mind will say that no, don't do that, use this time for yourself. And then if you feel that, but what will they think? If you feel this thing, what will they think? Then that means you should not do that thing, because you are doing that thing for the image that you have in their eyes, or you think you have in their eyes, and you are trying to maintain that image. So I would say that if you ever get that thought, what would they think? That means it's a boundary that you had, but they had overstepped it, and now you are trying to set that boundary. So yeah, that's what I wanted to tell you, because a lot of time I say no to things now, and I say no, and then a thought comes in my head like, oh, but what will they think? What will they feel? And that's the time I know that I should not do it. And this thought, what will they think, it will never come in my mind if it is a task that I really want to do. Like if I have to, I feel like I should make some food for guests, or if the narcissist is visiting my house, then I will make the food. But if they ask me for an extra task, only then this thought comes in my mind that, what will they think because I have said no. So, and any task for my son, any task for, people who really matter to me, um, my husband, or anyone, my close friends, my parents, I will never ever get that thought in my head, what will they think, because it is something that I want to do. But if you get that thought, what will they think, then just say no, because it is a boundary that you had not set before and which you should set now. Yep, so that's my quick video. I wish this helps you in some way, and I hope you all have a great day, and wish you all a lot of love and a lot of light. Bye.